just sat chilling at the beach. Noticed some lights over to the right and realised this drone show being set up here. This is the next hotel over. It looks like he's calibrating the final drone. I think they'll be ready to go after that. Hopefully. I'm not sure when they got it scheduled to go on, so we'll have to see. See if we can catch it on the camera. Looks like he's finished calibrating all the drones now. One of them seems to already have their light on, the white light. So we'll see what happens. Looks like the drone show is about to start. We are on the border between Delphine Deluxe, the neighbouring hotel, and Mukarnas. And I think I just heard him say ready, steady, go. So see what happens. You can see the flashing lights of the drones. It looks like they're about to start. Looks like the drones are ready.
Hopefully they go up soon.
Here we go.
There they go.
Can't keep them all in view.
Obviously shows up there.
Yeah. You can hear all the drones.
Yeah. Pretty bright, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can get Dolphin. It is. Dolphin Deluxe.
Yeah. Delphine Deluxe. Hotel. Looks like the dolphin's moving.
There you go. Okay, just one hand should be able to do that. Is that a dolphin going into water?
Looks like it. Dolphin jumping into the water. One stayed on for some reason.
Maybe it's the eyes.
What's it forming into now? I think we're meant to be all the way back, a lot further back, so we could actually understand what that was, but fortunately not. Anyone got any ideas what that might be? Oh, it might be a person actually.
Yeah, somebody jumping up, something like that.
Like, I don't know. Yeah, someone's spinning around.
Somebody jumping up and
spinning around.
Yeah.
Turkish flag.
Stretch your hand out. Okay, this is your neck.
My neck is not liking this. Delphine.
On the camera.
Delphine. Delphine Deluxe. Long rainbow.
Maybe that's it.
I think that's it. They're all coming back down.
That's really good, isn't it?
Yeah, coming in for landing. Pretty crazy that none of them hit each other.
Now you can talk about it. This is lovely.
Looks like they're coming in for landing, and it's pretty crazy that none of them hit each other. That's the power of software, I guess. Power of technology. And down they come.
Well,
The angle I'm standing at made it hard to get in the camera, but it would have been amazing if we were stood a bit further back. And that's it for the drone show.